Here is my little blue workhorse. It's brilliant and shock horror. I've been using it in a cutout of a big storage box, and it's been in here for 2.5 years. No ill effects at all, and it catches all the rubbish that gets splashed out around here. It has a little splashboard here, which doesn't really stop much. It stops a little, but not a lot. Here's the little green tile that I'll be taking that little tiny burr off. So you can see how with something like that, it's easier to do on with a diamond pad. But if you have your grinder out, just go for it, especially if you're going to do lots. So we'll turn the grinder on, and I'm just going to slide forward. So slide forward a jig, a very quick jig, forward jiggy jiggy, and we'll have another look. Almost, I'll do another little jig. So there you have it, it's all gone. It's that easy. And you can't hurt yourself with these. They're terrific. You're more likely to hurt yourself with this than you are with your grinder. It was the gorgeous Lisa Ray from Queensland, one of our Queensland artists, who convinced me that this is a great way to go, and she was absolutely spot on. The other thing you can do with the grinder is just take your points off as well, because it improves your beautiful little shapes. So it's just a matter of pop it in there for a second, pop the other one in like less than a second, and you take that sharpness off. There's a bump there, I'm going to get rid of that. It's all gone. Changes your life, it's brilliant. Let's have a look at the ceramic tile. So this is the same tile I used for the other demo, and I'm going to just do, let's find these a little bit that's very wobbly. Let's have a look at how it does that. So just go gently, you don't have to push this across the room. So it's made contact and just a gentle go around. This is not a bodybuilding exercise. I'm just going very gently. Take those burrs off. And I'll give it a wipe so you can see what's happened. And in Australia, we drop the ends of our sentences and we say, smooth as. Very cool. So you can see how lovely and smooth that edge is now. So I'll be doing the whole lot. This is for the bottom of my cute little gnome. So I'll go around and do the whole lot of that, and it'll just be perfect. Easy.